Yes, indeed. See, I got the water and different little snacks and things right here, enchanting with my glasses that I drink with my authentic Luciferian sword. Yes, indeed. Look at all the beautiful elements on the altar as the smoke cascades. I am a real motherfucking sorcerer. This is what we do, BIOSers. Yes, indeed. But we got balance around this motherfucker too. See, we over here with the dark energy right here, all that going, and then bam, right here. Got my angels with me. Yes, indeed. Balance. Draconian energy. Got the dragons on deck. Got my black guardian angels right here. Yes, indeed. Yes. Hey, now. Yes, indeed. Anointed and appointed by the ancestors. Living the lifestyle. Even the glasses I drink out of are always being anointed on a specific altar